Not very long ago, TIC stock printed the lows of around there $7 and was down roughly around there 30% or thereabout. You can see what the price is saying here, 11.25. But in just the last few seconds, we have seen it rebound to the highs of 12.6. A lot of things are going on here. On Thursday the 27th, the company disclosed its earnings outcomes. It was a decent was significantly less than what was expected, and the stock dipped all the way down to 11.7, but on Friday it got rebounded again and showed some strength, even though it just cooled off slightly. So given all that has happened so far, I think it has a potential to print 12.54. What are we looking at right now? We have 12. It has actually printed that projection to 12.54, 13.34. It hasn't printed that ever. And then 14.14. It's quite volatile, you can see what's going on. So quite volatile, low float stock, but it's not a low float stock. So if you wanted to know what a company does, I can show you here. The company's service line includes non-destructive testing techniques such as radiography, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection, penetrant testing, etc. Rope access, technician solutions, and engineering and lab testing. The company has two operating and reportable segments, which are the United States, generating maximum revenue, and Canada. So yeah, stock is was one of the stocks with the most amount of weakness, but suddenly now it has just rebounded. Let's see what the volume so far in this session is. We have only 11 shares in this pre-market session. So some aggression really going on there. I has already printed our upper projection of one of our upper projections of 12.54, and 13.34 is looks like a stretch, and then 14.14 equally is a stretch as well. So the stock hasn't also been around for a very long time. You can see that it hasn't been trading for a very long time. Yeah, there are no projections. They're just projections, but that's all. Not even just a few Fibonacci projections here and there. But there isn't really enough data to sufficiently extrapolate a lot of things. Let's have a look at the 1 day chart. Yeah, as you can see, it hasn't been around for a long time. So yeah, indeed, it's the loss of this morning has just totally been wiped out. We have $12.2 now. Okay, the volume we have so far is 13. Okay, not today. This was for Friday. Yeah. Yes, it hasn't been trading for a very long time, and indeed here as well, there's an indication that it looks like a volatile stock, but it doesn't have a low float. It doesn't mean that it wouldn't be volatile. So upper projections towards 12.54 has already printed that. You can see that's currently at 12.6, and then 13.34. On There are no closing prices around no closing prices up to 13.34. So 13.34 is a stretch. The probability of that printing is not very high. It must be very low, really low, and indeed also 14.14. So see what you make of TIC stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.